Hello, and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, strong sell-offs today again in the crypto sector, and I'm still looking at the potential that AVAX could reach that 1880 level there. Definitely no convincing bottoming structure here on the 5th of July. And again, just a reminder how important it is to watch for these 5-wave movements to the upside. There have only been a few coins that really formed the 5-wave move up from the 5th of July low, well, including Bitcoin, but in the altcoins are not many. I mean, Jupiter is one that comes to my mind, maybe a couple of others, but most coins only rallied in 3 waves, including Link, Dot, AVAX, yeah? And it's now trying to form another low here, as it seems. Definitely not a convincing reversal signal from the 5th of July low. And as I reminded you in the last video, we only have 3 waves up. We can't really confirm a low in place until the price gives me 5 waves up like this, because I have the first rally was only in 3 waves. So I need to see the next larger 5-wave pattern. However, obviously that would require a lot of waiting. I did say that I'm considering the low is in if we get a break above the last high. That's at $29.50. because it would involve a break above the yellow wave 2 high. So if this is the yellow count, which is short-term bearish, it would invalidate the yellow micro count with a break above 29.50. Now that doesn't mean the entire downside is invalidated or anything, but it means that the first key level is going to be taken out to the upside, which might shift probabilities towards the white count. Then I wouldn't feel comfortable to say that we have bottomed, but I would say, okay, we can now maybe track that idea with more confidence. For now, my wording was that I'm watching for one more low. I'm actually expecting one more low. And we can take a look at the last update I sent through today, actually, for gold members. Was that today? Oh yeah, it was today as well, overnight. The price has tested the 78.6 retracement of the initial rally from the 5th of July low. It takes a break above, yeah, that $29.60 level for a first indication that in the white count, the wave 3 to the upside is unfolding. I currently expect one more low in a larger wave 2 as per the yellow scenario until the white scenario proves itself, which it would do to a certain degree if we break above $29.60. So we have seen yesterday or even today that reaction to the support region, but I still told you until we break above that yellow wave 2 high, I actually expect one more low to fill in this yellow wave pattern basically to 1880. And that would be a more reliable structure then, because the structure from the 5th of July low to the upside, it's become quite a mess. And then we've now even broken the 78.6 retracement. Yes, only briefly, couldn't sustain there. So I'm not comfortable to take the white count of the chart. In fact, the white count has a pretty good reward to risk ratio and profile, you know, in terms of a long trade now, because the invalidation point is the 5th of July low, and that's at $21.90, $21.95. So if you want to trade the white count, really good reward to risk ratio, but my view is the probabilities are quite low for follow through. Still a reasonable wave count, but we can never favor really. We cannot favor really upside continuation if the first rally was only in 3 waves. So it takes more to confirm that from an analysis point of view. That doesn't mean that it couldn't be a good decision for some traders, pullback traders, to enter here on the long side. If you're a pullback trader and you still want to, you know, make a bet on this, I don't see much potential for this to work out though. Not at the moment. I would want to see a bit more upside momentum, maybe a first tiny 1-2 setup or something on a smaller time frame, because now it's literally just catching the falling knife. We're even breaking back into the price channel, which is never a strong sign of, well, never a sign of strength really. So situation hasn't really changed. And if we talk about further downside, then the 1884 level is going to be a critical target. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.